Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to get a formula for finding the area of a triangle by comparing that with the area of a parallelogram. Here you can see two triangles of the same size. Let me superpose one triangle on the other like this. So that they match. That is, one triangle covers the other triangle completely and exactly. So we can say both the triangles are congruent. Next, I am going to place both the triangles in such a way that their corresponding sides are joined like this. Here, these two sides are one pair of corresponding sides of these two triangles. Here you can see the figure thus formed is a parallelogram. And the base and height of these triangles are the same as the base and height of the parallelogram respectively. Also, when we compare the area of each triangle to the area of this parallelogram, we can see sum of the areas of both the triangles will be equal to area of this parallelogram. So what will be the area of one triangle? That is, area of each triangle will be equal to half of the area of the parallelogram. But we know if B is the base and H is the height, then area of the parallelogram, that is base into height. So we can write area of each triangle, that will be equal to half into base into height, that is equal to half B into H, or in short we can write half BH. So, if B is the base and H is the height of a triangle, then formula for finding the area of a triangle is half BH. That is, formula for finding the area of a parallelogram is B into H, and that of a triangle is half BH. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.